Hey everyone, welcome back to Weekly Tools. Today we're tackling a super common problem, power steering noise when turning. If you hear a whining, groaning, or squealing sound every time you turn the wheel, don't ignore it. That's your car's way of saying it needs attention. In this video, I'll show you how to diagnose and fix it step by step, with easy visuals and pro mechanic tips. First, check your power steering fluid level. Low fluid is the #1 cause of whining noises when you turn the wheel. With the engine off, open the reservoir cap and check the dipstick. The fluid should be between the min and max lines. If it's low, top it up with the correct type, usually ATF or power steering fluid depending on your car. If your fluid looks dark, dirty, or smells burnt, it's time for a flush and refill. Air bubbles can also cause that whining or groaning sound. When air gets trapped inside the hydraulic system, it makes the pump work harder. Here's how to bleed the system. 1. Lift the front wheels off the ground. 2. With the engine off, turn the steering wheel fully left and right 10-15 times. 3. Recheck the fluid level. Top up if needed. 4. Start the engine and repeat turning slowly left to right. You'll notice bubbles disappearing from the reservoir. That's the air escaping. Once the noise reduces, you're good. If the fluid is fine, your belt might be the culprit. The serpentine belt drives your power steering pump. When it slips or cracks, it squeals during turns. Look for cracks, fraying, or glazing. If it's shiny or squeaky, replace it. Also, check your belt tensioner. It should hold the belt tight. A weak tensioner causes the belt to slip. Replacing the belt is an inexpensive fix that often solves power steering noise instantly. If you've done all the basics and still hear that whine, the pump itself could be failing. Listen closely while turning the wheel. A loud whine or grinding from the pump area means worn bearings or internal wear. You can try adding a power steering conditioner to reduce noise temporarily, but long-term, replacing the pump is the real fix. Lastly, check for leaks. If fluid keeps dropping or you see oily spots under the car, fix that before anything else. Fixing leaks early prevents pump damage and keeps your steering smooth and quiet. Once you've topped up the fluid, bled the air, checked the belt, and fixed any leaks, your steering should be whisper quiet again. Remember, regular maintenance keeps your steering system healthy for years. Change the fluid every 40-50K miles, or as recommended by your manufacturer. If this video helped you fix your power steering noise, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY car repair guides. Comment below what problem you want me to cover next.